Top online paid surveys 2020. These are my top 3 favorites. All right, so they're not in any particular order, but these are the ones that I've made money the quickest with, and they paid out the quickest also. So for 2020, the top 3 are, and again, this is in no particular order. 1, Vindale Research. You like that cool little spin? Vindale Research, all right? That's number 1. And the minimum payout for Vindale Research is 25. Is it 25? The minimum payout for Vindale Research is $50, which is kind of high. In this video, I'm also going to cover a strategy to get to that minimum payout threshold the quickest. So the next one, so number 1, we have Vindale Research. Number 2, we have Swagbucks, and the minimum payout for that one is 25. And then third but not last is Inbox Dollars. Now the reason why these are my top 3, but they're equally as good in my opinion, is because they all require the same amount of time and the payouts are about the same. So with all of these 3s, like, the payouts are about the same. I do have to tell you though, this is not like an ongoing income stream. This is not something that you get paid a lot for. I would only recommend this if you, for example, say, oh, I need $100 by tomorrow, and you have absolutely nothing else or any other way of getting money. Then I would do it, because yes, it is guaranteed that if you spend the time doing the surveys, you're gonna get paid. So also maybe like if you're a high school student or something, or like, you know, in your 20s and you just need cash for tomorrow, something like that. But anyways, guys, so we got Vindale Research, we have Swagbucks, and we have Inbox Dollars, right? So if you wanna check those out, all you have to do is click on the links in my description. And yes, they are affiliate links, so I do get a commission if you found this review helpful. If not, you can just go, you know, directly to the websites. That being said, guys, would I recommend overall paid surveys if you need quick cash and you don't have anything better to do? Now, the strategy that I do is I literally just get to the minimum threshold. If it's 25, if it's 50, as quickly as possible. And how do I get there as quickly as possible? Is by filling out the highest paying surveys. Now the thing is, there's not so many of those, right? So I just get to my minimum threshold as quickly as possible by doing the higher paying ones. And there's actually more like in-depth strategies that I've seen on YouTube channels where you know, people discuss their quickest way of getting to the threshold. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, if you want to check out any of those paid survey sites, the links are below. Have a nice one, guys. See you.